Every time you crack your knuckles, you're detonating a gas bubble. Your joints are sealed in a capsule filled with synovial fluid, a lubricant that keeps cartilage from grinding. Dissolved inside that fluid is carbon dioxide. When you stretch the joint, you increase the internal space. Pressure drops. The dissolved gas comes out of solution instantly, forming a bubble. Then it collapses. That pop is cavitation, the same physical force that destroys ship propellers, happening inside your joint. The bubble takes about 20 minutes to redissolve into the fluid. That's why you can't crack the same knuckle twice in a row. Does it cause arthritis? No, but it does cause temporary swelling every single time.